All right, so what we're going to do is find this limit here by using a table of values just as an introductory example. So the idea is, the first thing we normally check is if we can substitute x equals 3. And you notice that we cannot because the denominator is 0. But this is a limit that's going to be very common to us in that the numerator is also 0 when we substitute 3, which usually means that something can be simplified or that there actually is a limit. Now, that's not a guarantee, but that could happen. So the first way we're going to look at this is to form a table of values, like I said. So all that means is we have to pick a string of values that lead up to x equals 3, and we have to make sure we do that on both sides. So you notice at the left here, I have x going from 2.5 to 2.9 to 2.99 and so on, just getting closer and closer and closer to 3. And on the other side, just kind of mirroring that, starting at 3.5, coming down to 3.1, 3.01, and 3.001. And my hope is that by the time we get here, we see what the limit should be, okay? So just so you can see how I do this on the TI-83 calculator, or my version of that, in y equals, I typed in x cubed minus 27 in parentheses, divided by x minus 3, and I set the table to ask mode, which if I hit second and table settings, you notice, well, it's different on mine because I'm on an iPad instead of a regular calculator, but I'm in ask mode, which just means I have to type in the x values I want the y values for, as opposed to getting an automatic table. So if I go to the table, I'm just going to substitute all the x values that I have at the left. So I have 2.5, 2.9, 2.99, 2.999, 3.001, 3.01, 3.1, 3.5. And as you can see, I'm just going to write down the 2.999 and the 3.001. This is 26.991 and more. And this is 27.009 and more. So my best guess is that the limit is 27. So we write the limit as x approaches 3 of x cubed minus 27 over x minus 3 is equal to 27. Now, it seems like a guess, but it's an educated guess because all roads seem to be leading to 27. So, in fact, if I got even closer to 3, 2.999, 4 nines, notice that the value is even closer to 27. And on the other side as well. So we'll say that the limit is 27. And we could be able to do this algebraically as well. Maybe we'll do that in another video. Thank you for watching. I hope that helps you with this aspect of limits. There will be many, many more. Thank you.